guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today's look is really special because this is the kind of routine that I follow pretty much every single day during spring and summer when the sun is out and it's shining bright, and I want to show the world that I'm glowing from within without much makeup. And I always feel pleasantly surprised when people come up to me and say my skin looks fabulous. So I want to share this with you today and show you how it's done in 3 simple steps. So if you're ready, let's get started. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. The first step is to use an illuminating primer. The one that I'm using is Rimmel Lasting Finish Primer. This is long lasting and it also perfects your skin. It fills in the pores and it gives you this beautiful glow. As you can see, the glow is so beautiful and it illuminates the entire face. Now you can also use a tinted moisturizer with glow in it. I know Jergens has quite a few options, or you can also use something like Maybelline Master Strobe, but I personally prefer a primer because it clings on to your foundation and makes it long lasting. Now over this, just keep in mind you have to apply a light to medium coverage foundation because you want the illumination from within to peek through the foundation and show on the outside. If you apply a full coverage foundation over this, it'll pretty much cover everything and you cannot see anything underneath of the foundation. So make sure you apply a light to medium coverage foundation, and that's pretty much what you need on a daily basis. And my foundation of choice today is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is in the shade 475. I picked this foundation for a few different reasons. This is perfect for everyday wear because it's so lightweight. As you can see, it's so runny. So it's perfect for every day, and it's also buildable to medium to full coverage if you plan to apply this to a special occasion or a party. And second, it has that glowy finish that we're looking forward to today. And third, because it's got inbuilt SPF, so it's going to protect you from the sun's rays. And fourth, because it's long lasting. I'm just going to apply it with a foundation brush. You can also use a kabuki brush or a beauty sponge. It's a personal choice. I feel like brushes are so quick, so I'm just using a foundation brush. And I'm using a little bit extra foundation to cover my dark circles, and I'm going to just use my finger to blend it out. One, because fingers are faster to blend a product, and second, because fingers don't absorb any products like the sponges and the brushes, so it gives you a better coverage. Now there are a few areas around the face where the foundation can settle in the fine lines and start to crease, so we'll only very lightly set those areas with very little powder, and the one that I'm using is from NYC. You can use any loose powder. We don't want to be setting the entire face because we are going for a dewy look today, and setting the entire face will mattify it. And now comes the most important step, the most magical step, if you ask me, of making this entire makeup very glowy and dewy and also make it very long lasting, which is to use a setting spray which gives you a dewy finish. One that I'm using again is from the drugstore. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This lasts me an entire day. As you can see, it kind of settles on the skin, and when it dries, it gives you that beautiful glowy dewy finish. And the whole purpose of using a setting spray is to make your makeup long lasting. Like you have hairsprays to kind of set your hair and hold it in its place. Just like that, you have setting sprays for the face to make your makeup long lasting and to keep it in place. And that's pretty much it. How simple was that? Other than this, I just apply a lipstick and mascara and I'm good to go. And look at that beautiful dewy glowy look that gives you. I live for this kind of a look. I hope you guys liked this video and you enjoyed watching me. Don't forget to comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. If you're new here, for your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used today in the description box below. You'll also find my social media accounts, so make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook for more looks and more inside scoop and more chatting and whatnot. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.